Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to pass along a tip if you're running HyperX NGenuity software on your PC, specifically Windows 11. After a major update for Windows 11, I started getting this error here. Every time I boot, I get this netframework error that would come up, but I noticed in there NGenuity devices, HyperX NGenuity monitors, NGenuity, and I do have a microphone by HyperX. And so I couldn't figure out what was causing this problem. I was doing all kinds of troubleshooting, and what I ended up doing was getting rid of the NGenuity software. So I uninstalled the software, and this on boot, this netframework error stopped. So I solved the problem. I contacted the company. I asked them, will your devices still work if the software is installed? And they all said yes. So a workaround is to uninstall the software until they can get this fixed. It seemed to be related to the biggest update on Windows 11. After the update on my system, that's when the problem started with my mic and NVIDIA software, or the NGenuity software. So just want to pass along this tip. If uninstall it if you're having problems, if you want, and the product will still work. There's no problems. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.